Here you have the Porco Galliard style from Attack on Titans. On this video, I will recreate the cut and color of Porco, like you see here. Porco, roll that tape! To start this haircut, I will do a horseshoe-shaped partition, and I will cut the hair with the detachable clippers with the number 3.5 comb on it, cutting the back area and creating a high graduation on the curve of the head. On the sides versus using the clippers, I will use the freeform cutting technique with the blade. The intention here is to leave the sides longer than the back, cutting with the blade from the top down and from the front to the back, to facilitate the style back on the sides, like Porco's look. Using the SHEARS over comb, I will create a graduation on the sides like you see me doing here. Take your thinning shears and blend this area. These two will help the slide back on the sides. Follow me on Instagram if you like to be informed on all the haircuts that I've done and the ones I'll be doing. Soon on Instagram, I'll be giving VIP access to news, context, and prices. So follow me on Instagram and I will add a link on the description of this video. We need you there. Using the clippers with the 000 comb, I will go over the haircut using the clipper over comb technique until I achieve the desired finish. The trimmers will be a useful tool to clean the sideburns and around the ears. Observe the shape on the sides of the graduation. Very different. That is why I did use this particular technique on the sides. To cut the top of the hair, I will use the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs, leaving about 4 fingers width on the top of the hair. This length will guarantee that the bangs length will reach the point of the nose. A continuation, I will comb all the hair to the one side, and using the freeform technique with the razor blade, I will cut the desired length just about the ear, from the front to the back like you see me doing here. Stay to the end of this video if you'd like to know which haircut we'll be doing next. This week, I am looking for suggestions of your favorite musician look. The one that gets the most votes on any of my channels will be added to the list of videos that I'll be doing in August. Good luck, I can't wait to see who wins. Use as a reference the pictures on the iPad to see the direction of the haircut. Cut the back area with direction from the sides to the center. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. We need you in the community. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's see if we can get to 10,000. I need you there. Texturize both sides if it's necessary with this technique. Don't stop the video and don't go anywhere. Now is the time to get Porco's blonde on the top. To decolor the top of the head, I will be using bleach up to 7 from Redken with 40 volumes of peroxide. Use the bleach to separate the top area from the short undercut. After that, bleach all the inside part on the top. Only took 30 minutes to get the desired level and tone only using bleach. In some cases, you might need to use a golden toner to finish the look. To blow dry, I will use Glide from 1821. This product will condition the bleached hair and make it easy to style. First, blow dry the sides back using the flat brush so they stay slick back. If you don't dry this first, it will start drying naturally and potentially straight out of the head on the side. If possible, don't let this style dry by itself. Use the power of the blow dryer and the brush to dominate the hair. Those are your powers. On the top of the head, add some volume by giving a rotation with your wrist and the brush, like I'm demonstrating here. I add some more volume than Porco normally has. What do you think? It looks better or is better flat? To add some texture on the bangs and more defined layers going back, like you see Porco has on the iPad, I will use the texturizing scissors with the wider teeth, following the angles on the haircut. If you're a professional, I'm going to leave a link on the description so you can see all my full tutorials. These tutorials are step by step so you can practice. I will use the point cutting technique to define the line on the back at the desired length. To finish the style, I will use wax from 1821. This oil-based product will help you to maintain the hair on the sides back and to add texture, control, volume and definition on the ends. All you need to recreate this look. For all of you that have waited to the end of this video to see what I will be doing next, here is the look. See you next week. This is Angel del Solar making it happen.